Welcome guys, welcome to how to browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to fix no internet connection on TikTok. When you open TikTok, are you getting this message no internet connection? If you do, then you should try this method. But before doing so, let me explain why does TikTok always say no internet connection. Here we have two options. One is maybe TikTok is down or your internet connection speed is too slow. Now guys, let me show you how you can check if TikTok is down and what you need to do in order to check if TikTok is down. So what you need to do guys right now is to go to this site, down detector status TikTok. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna do my default browser and I'll be looking for this website, down detector detector uh, status TikTok. Let's see guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, uh, TikTok out report in the last 24 hours. User reports indicate no current problems at TikTok. Yeah, so everything is fine. Step 2 guys, you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, which is very simple. Just go to your into your tab or whatever it's called, and now scroll to mobile data. Look for mobile data. I have here mobile data. Here I have mobile data. Okay, and here I have my Wi-Fi connection. Just unchecked from that and select mobile data, which is very simple. For iPhone is almost the same, just a little bit different. So step number 3 guys, you can try to install and reinstall TikTok. This is the final method. You might ask yourself why is because this TikTok cache will be cleared. Also, the app will be updated to the last version, which can also solve the problem because that update might contain bug fixes and improvements. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. If this video guys helped you and solved your problem, give a like to this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and love you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Appreciate you appreciate you guys a lot, and take care of you guys. Take care and see you in the next video.